أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم به أستعين في جميع الأمور رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our meeting to serve our global gold clients with SAM's Holochain Hallmark Gold, available to SAM's TQL Club members at London Bullion Metal Association -2% to enjoy inflation-free total quality life. The recording. Okay, Peter, so can you please summarize as to what is going on? And I mean, I have seen the document which was given to me by Mr. Usman very recently. And I think we don't have any problem in giving you any quantity of bullion in Hong Kong. Okay, no issues at all.
I see. Mr. Osman is still having another Zoom. I think we have to wait. I think we have to wait for him first.
Sure, no problem. But at least, I mean, let us based on what your relationship is with Mr. Usman and this particular client, here you are talking about, serving not just this client, but we have enough quantity of gold available since we are gold miners. Okay, what I do is I get all the gold from Africa, DRC, and from Sierra Leone, and all that gold gets converted into our SAM's Holochain Hallmark bullion, and then we provide this bullion at 2% discount to all the clients, because bullion is never sold at discount, and I'm offering that discount to TQL Club members so everyone can enjoy inflation-free life.
I see.
So that is what we are talking about. Anybody, I mean, and the one project which we are doing now is all universities have budgets, right? And universities never have enough money to do research and development, and so they are always short of money. So what I'm doing is that whatever budget they have, for the next fiscal year, which has just started in July, so I will increase that budget by 5%. So we are offering that blanket to all the universities, and then all the students from that university will be engaged into our Gamba program. So then all of them will be trained in climate smart agriculture, construction, and all these technologies. And then they can build these Wheel of Life Farm School health centers in their university campus, as well as, in all the farms and, gold mines in their vicinity. So that is the plan.
Okay, good plan.
So that is the reason why I am in the gold business.
I see. By the way, what is the quantity available in Hong Kong?
As much as you want. I can give you 200 metric ton today.
Because I'm having two discussions right now on the gold, on the FOB deal in Hong Kong.
200 metric ton you can get it today. What refinery do you use? Metalor or Harius?
Most of them use Metalor.
Metalor, right? So I mean,
but anyway, because the thing is still in discussion. If you have a lot of gold in Hong Kong, me and Nafa can always look for buyers. No problem.
No problem. We have enough gold for you to delight all your buyers. And I would ideally like to do my transaction ledger to ledger in Metalor refinery.
Ledger to ledger, okay.
Very simple. You open up a metal account, I open up a metal account, so, no banks are involved. So simply ledger to ledger transaction, in Metalor refinery.
So
one page FC, one page SP. Right. Correct? So this is what we are after. So we are ready, and Mr. Usman has just joined us. His audio is getting connected. So where is Mr. Usman based at?
Gambia, that's what he told me.
Oh, in Gambia. Okay, all right. I think he is having some difficulty in connecting the audio. Yeah, it's a problem. You know, the audio has not been connected. So now I think we can, you can serve any client, okay, small or big. We have enough gold available, and we are not dependent on just the gold available with the sellers. We can get the gold from our own gold mines, okay. In Sierra Leone, I have got 65 square kilometer gold mine, which I'm developing. In Oregon, USA, I have got a gold mine which has $2 billion worth of gold there. So ideally, you make maximum profits by really getting your gold from your mine, convert that into bullion, and provide the bullion to everybody. So that is what we are after, and we hope that everybody can take advantage of that and join Sam's TQLMA Club to start climate smart gold and food business.
Usman is having some audio problems, so I have asked him to ask questions via Zoom chat.
Sure thing, no problem. He's trying again. Let me admit him again. See if the problem is fixed. Nope. Same issue. Video audio is not getting connected. Mr. Usman, can you hear us? And if you can hear us, you know what we are discussing is this, that we have received your document from your buyer with the procedure they have highlighted. We can supply you any quantity of gold in Hong Kong, and we can even do ledger to ledger in metal or refinery. Very simple, straightforward process. So I hope that your audio works and we can really communicate, but otherwise we'll share the recording of this meeting with you, which you can share with your buyer, and we can, execute the transaction very fast. We are ready to close the deal this week. Any quantity you want. In 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, we'll conclude. So I think let's talk about this now, since we have initiated this discussion that, okay, most of the government today are bankrupt because of COVID-19, correct? And the only asset which every government has is the gold they have in their central banks. And depending on the need of governing the country, okay, they actually sell the gold. Okay. And I am the buyer of that kind of gold, okay, which they sell, because we are assuring them that, okay, we will work with you to make sure that your economic systems are stable and all citizens of your country can enjoy, economically vibrant life. So one of my biggest sellers, like I'm buying this gold from Chinese government, okay? This gold, which I've got in Hong Kong, belongs to China. And today, I can tell you this, that China has the largest reserve of gold in the world. Okay? And this particular seller is offering me this, benefit that I can export this gold to any part of the world. That's why I'm dealing with him, right? Otherwise, what happens is that the most of the gold which is available in China is not exportable. China doesn't like others to, buy the gold,
Yeah.
which they have, right?
Yeah.
So this is this buyer is very, very exclusive, and they are giving us this benefit, and they actually sell it, to central banks only. Because 200 metric ton is a kind of a quantity which individuals cannot buy, So it is only, big players. Maybe Bill Gates can buy it, but Bill Gates probably, cannot buy it that kind of a quantity. All right. So generally, these kind of quantity is only given to central banks. So we sell these gold to central banks. And when central bank needs to sell their gold, we buy that gold from them. So that is a kind of level our group is engaged in. Okay. And that is how we are actually assuring economic vibrancy of all countries by solving the COVID-19 problem, cost effectively. And then, if they need, extra funds or, whatever, because funds are needed to run the country, we always can, cash in, give good value for the gold they have available. And then we buy the gold from them and then, actually develop a system which is really a system like Dubai in their country so that they can have, lean governance. Because, they have to reduce the cost nowadays. Like every company reduces the cost to make money, right? So in a similar way, the government has to also become lean. So that is the kind of service my company Chalfu International provides. We work with the governments to make the governments lean and then to solve their financial problems. So that is a kind of message. What I want to do is this, Brother Afaq, let's make this meeting very productive in this sense. You identify a landowner, okay, in Abbottabad, and I can positively offer them 10% more profit with 10% less effort. Nobody would say no to that. All right. So we sign a joint venture agreement with them. We create a model for Prime Minister Imran Khan to come and see and inaugurate, say, a campus town which has got, say, 53,000 5G proof homes, over there. Because we are building this 110 home self-sustaining communities, right? So in each, each campus town, I can build something like, 5,000 of these communities, depending on the area available. I have got about 1,000 acre now in Nairobi, where we are building these campus town. Okay, so that is available to us. We can definitely duplicate that Nairobi model in Pakistan, in Abbottabad, basically. And you can serve, I'm offering you a default position. What promise I'm making to PM Imran Khan, I'm making that to you also, that you will be leading the project in Abbottabad, and whatever your current income is, I will enhance your income by 10%. And obviously you will have freedom to, enjoy a very good life. Because it won't be a 9 to 5 kind of an assignment, right?
Already fed it up.
Exactly, and I worked for the best company, like Procter & Gamble. I never worked during my career 9 to 5. I used to work 18 hours a day for that company. Why I was working 18 hours a day? Because I was a quality assurance manager and I need to solve all problems which the company is having. Okay. And so wherever I go and operate and work, I take the ownership. I consider Procter & Gamble as my company. Like I'm owning the company. Okay. And when you are owning the company, you give, whatever time you can give every day. Sometimes you have to
give your life.
Yeah. I have actually worked 72 hours non-stop when we launched Kame in Pakistan.
Kame soap.
So,
Kame soap.
that's a Procter & Gamble product.
Yeah.
Right. So, we have learned a lot from Procter & Gamble kind of company, which is my university. I've learned inside out how MNC works, you know, and now I'm simply, utilizing all that experience to make sure that now every other organization, small SMEs also, can enjoy the same kind of economic vibrancy like companies like Procter & Gamble is enjoying.
Mhm.
So both of you guys have the project now, in eastern part where Peter resides. Peter can also lead a project, in Malaysia. I've already, indicated that I'm interested in Johor Bahru. But if you have a landowner, do a joint venture agreement with the university over there in your, province, Brother Peter, and we will do a joint venture with them and we'll build this Wheel of Life Farm School health centers over there also. And, your project is huge because, we want to demonstrate our technologies in Abbottabad, and then we want to transform State Bank of Pakistan as a central bank, gold bank, as a first state gold bank. Okay, so we only deal in gold. No paper printing. Okay, it's pollution. Paper is a pollution. Okay.
And most importantly, it loses its value.
It loses its value,
Value. And
So-
gold is increasing.
I mean, gold is gold.
Gold is gold.
Even if somebody sort of, drops an atom bomb somehow, everything else will be destroyed. Gold will not be destroyed.
Yeah.
Gold will remain there,
Yeah.
Maybe the bar will change its shape, a little bit.
Mr. Usman has once again joined the meeting.
Yeah,
Hope
he's
his,
trying to
audio
join and we
connects.
are almost concluding, but if he's here, then we can
I
reconvene.
believe we all can communicate in WhatsApp group as well.
Sure, we can. There's no
Where,
problem
yeah.
there. And Mr. Usman can also have a WhatsApp conference call. But I think this was a very positive, productive meeting. We can delight Mr. Usman with any quantity of gold he wants in Hong Kong. And we can move forward, with this particular transaction, as well as, now the project. You have, both of you guys have project, Brother Peter is in Malaysia, and you have a huge project. Okay. And I tell you something else, okay, Brother Afaq. One of the critical country, okay, which is Pakistan doesn't have any problems, okay. The most of the, one of the critical countries is very next door to us, which is Afghanistan. Okay. And somehow, because we can definitely work